Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, I will present my research chapter 1 on chapter 1, that is the effect of problem-based learning methods to student writing skill at MTSN 05 Solok Selatan. 1. Background of the problem. Problem-based learning is problem-based learning, namely problems that are studied in real course the student life. As according to Redmond in Triento, problem-based learning helps students obtain reading, math information in their minds and construct their one knowledge about the social world and its surrounding student. And yet, in problem-based learning, require a single problem to solve and for inexperienced student problems are most effective when they are concrete and close to everyday life model. Problem-based learning is designed to train students to think critically. According to Bronner in Triento, think if students try themselves to find problem solving and knowledge that accompanying it will produce truly meaningful knowledge learning. Objective PBL is to improve the ability to apply concept to problems now or real, integrating the concept of high order think in skill, namely development critical thinking skill, problem solving skill, and actually development desire to learning by directing self-study and skill. 1. Identification of problem. One of the reasons for the low writing ability of students is methods of writing of how to teach teacher that are less attractive and less involving students, so that students are fresh will burn many. Teachers have made various efforts to improve learning. Improve learning outcomes students such as the lecture methods question and answer and group work, but only certain students only tasks while are active and the learning outcome are quite good. 2. The low ability of students to understand reading and do the delivery of material that is still teacher-centered, so that student involvement in the teaching and learning process is low and unpleasant for students because the text given is only given to students directly. 3. Limitation of the problem improve learning outcome for students at MTSN 05 Solok Selatan. In order to improve learning outcomes from writing English text, students must look for problem solving to be able to write text correctly. In order they produce neat writing. 4. Formulation of the problem based on the identification of the problems above. It can be stated that the problem in this study is how well the student understand of writing skill based learning at MTSN 05 Solok Selatan. 5. Hypothesis research. The research focus of increasing student intelligence in the field on reading comprehension. The research hypothesis that student understanding of skill-based learning at MTSN 05 Solok Selatan is still low. Many students have difficult writing text and understanding text, let alone using English. 6. Purpose of the research. That are the goals: building that intelligence and writing comprehension of student FMTSN 05 Solo Selatan towards the next measure student ability to understand the and vocabulary. 7. Significance of the research. The purpose of this student was to determine the effect of the learning methods of the ability to write English descriptive text, the effect of learning interest on student, the ability to write English descriptive text, and well, and to determine the effect of intelligence learning methods and interest in learning of the ability to writing language description text English. 8. Definition of the criteria understanding is the ability of student to find ideas, interpret student desire. Writing is a mental process of someone to others or hear something uses various methods of strategies to solve meaning and meaning what author were after reading the text. Comprehension writing is a term used the individual student to act high interest learning skill activity needed to understand and apply the information contained in writing materials. Theoretical review. To review or relate theories. 1. Definition of writing skill. Writing is a complex activity, not just putting words on paper. Writing is a concept or idea that is expressed or conveyed through handwriting from sound and visual symbol, matter and MC Latinian. 2. Writing test. Validity of the two general classes of measure has been somewhat sparse and varied in terms or conclusion here for comparing multiple choice tests with constructed response test Davis and Fever. High one what's famous. 2. Definition problem-based learning. A. Definition PBL problem-based learning is perhaps the most innovative pedagogic methods ever implemented in education. Its effect infinite in facilitating student problem solving and self-directed learning skill has been widely reported in medical education Burroughs and Chamberlain 1980 and 1983. B. Step of problem-based learning. The implementation of PBM has its own characteristic related to the step the learning barrel. Describe the implementation. Step 1. Clarifying the problem case given. 2. Defining the problem. 3. Brainstorm version of their knowledge. 4. Define the thing the need to solve the problem. 5. Define the thing that must be done to solve the problem. C. Characteristic problem-based learning. Based on the theory development by Barrow Minview, describe the characteristic of PBM, namely one learning student considered the learning process in PBL is more focused on student as a learning. Therefore, PBL is also supported by theory constructive in which students are encouraged to develop his own knowledge to authentic problems for the organizing focus from learning the problem presented to student is an authentic problem so that student can easily understand the problem and can apply it in his professional life later. 3. New information is acquired through self-directed learning in the problem-solving process. Students might not have known and understand all the prerequisite knowledge so that students trying to find their own through the source act from book or their information. 4. Learning occurs in small group in order for a scientific interaction and exchange of ideas to occur in the business but no language collaborative. The PPM is carried out in small group. The group creates the mind and clear division of tasks and clear goal setting. 5. Teacher act as facilitator in the implementation of PPM. The teacher only acts as facilitator, however. Even so, the teacher must always monitor the progress of the activity student and encourage students to achieve the target to be achieved. 3. Review of finding. The first journal named the effect of problem-based learning methods to student writing skill is in practice at school there are 4 English skills that are learning, namely listening, speaking. The effect of student of using problem-based learning models of writing, expository writing. Skill 1 of the writing skill at the SMA level for Indonesian subject is skill writing. Theoretical framework. Student interest in learning a second language is influenced by the lesson and how the teacher them in the classroom. So if the teacher wants to information student language acquisition, he or the onward student feeling and created a sportive learning atmosphere in the classroom. Reading comprehension and writing text. Teacher must motivation student to be active in writing. If students are interested, they will be motivation to write text. High motivation to practice writing well to improve their writing comprehension. The problem is that students rarely discuss and share material because text writing activity is still going dependent of the teacher's explanation. The teacher always stands in front of them explaining the material while the student listens to the explanation. Students tend to be active but other students tend to be passive. This happens because some clever students dare to ask and share opinion with the teacher but other students did not. Students are still afraid to answer questions from the teacher and are still embarrassed to give their opinion to the teacher. In addition, there are several teaching methods that teach students how to read and understand text effect because in reading class the teaching and learning process requires more time just reading the text. Answer some question relate to the text, so that many students are less motivated and feel bad learning to read English in class. This prevents students from learning to read to overcome test problems. Research to as good methods classroom learning. Certain number of the students in South Solo, especially research focus on students at MTSN 05 Solo Selatan. There were still many students who had low knowledge of reading and writing text. The research used the methods to teach vocabulary of reading to students to help remember and refer listen, such as in classroom situation where learning to read, display, picture, and word simple specialist. The teacher is importance of reading and writing the text of something on the card using flashcard as their opinion to group and of colleges. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.